welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Guys, today I bring you the news of the news. Okay, so Oskambo is currently busy building a huge mansion for him and his wife. As we all know that he recently welcomed a newborn. They recently welcomed a newborn. They have a newborn. They are starting a family. They are starting something new. They are starting life from the scratch. So Oskambo, he posted on his Instagram stories ukuthi he asked the wife ukuthi, what do you want? I'm not sure if they're married or not, guys. I'm really not sure, but when I hear people talking about them, they talk as if they are married. They say wife, they refer to them as the married couple. So I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go with wife because why not? Why not? The man is building a mansion, guys, in a whole mansion from scratch. So Oskambo posted on his Instagram stories Uguti. He asked Uguti, what would you like me to get you for your birthday as a present? What would you like me to get you, my dear? And then the wife was like, a huge mansion since we are starting a family. And the husband was like, say no more, my dear, say no more. Your wish is my command. So Oscar Bo is currently busy with the mansion, doing big things. Congratulations to him. We wish him all the best. And also congratulations on becoming a father. It's such a big step. Now, guys, speaking of people who are building houses here, guess what? But I'm sure you guys know this by now. Wandile Ndlovu is back in South Africa, guys. She is back in South Africa. And guess what? People said she was kidnapped. She can't come back. She doesn't have the passport. Yeah, they are holding her hostage. Okay, what BBL. People also kept on talking, Esana. People kept on talking with, yeah, she owes the BBL. Now she can't come back. Hey, what? Okay, what? BBL foot. Here's BBL. I don't know the name of the surgeries, guys. I'm just gonna refer nje wonke as a BBL. I'm just gonna call them BBLs because what in the big ntontoni is that? Wandindlovu, Wandi. And then people started coming for the BBL. Hey, BBL, yeah, okay, it's too big for her body. Yeah, the hands are too small. Yeah, the what. Okay, I just kept on quiet. I said, guys, I'm coming. And guys, she's living a soft life in Nigeria, like no doubt about that. She didn't announce which years or in. We just saw her rocking up. Okay, she is building her family in Katlehong, a house. She is renovating the house. We can see Guma Reels work on Facebook. She is checking out the house, checking with some renovations ahamba kanjani. She is buying big doors. Those big doors, lezi ezinkulu zasema dining sitting room or dining room. But you guys know those big doors, man, those expensive big doors. She is buying doors. Girl, she is busy nje uphansi naphezulu doing what she wants to do. And she didn't even say ukuthi nathini, hey, nathi I'm kidnapped, nathi in. Maybe girl, she was saving up money to come and build a house for her mom, as she is doing right now. So it's such a big step, and we congratulate her on coming back to South Africa. She's not back permanently, obviously, but we congratulate her, guys. In Guti, at least she didn't just go and forget the family. She came back. She came back as Saikaya Okyao. We are just happy for her. Guys, that's all I have for you today. Please make sure that you like, comment down below, and also subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.